Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty from my cellular. No. You don't say you hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur.
Babies, it's your girl Sasha. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to click that subscribe button and join the fam. Also, go and watch some of my previous videos to get familiar with me. They sent me this beautiful 24-inch Bodywave wig. It came pre-customized and curled. Like, I took this straight out of the package and put on my head, and I got these really nice curls. Before we get into the details of this wig, I'm going to give you guys a quick installation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.
Yeah, this the real one, baby. I'm telling you, Chi-Town stand up. South side, we gon' set this party off right. West side, we gon' set this party off right. Man, I promise. She's so self-conscious. She has no idea what she's doing in college. That major that she majored and don't make no money, but she won't drop out. Her parents will look at her funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore, 3 girls ain't picked a career. She like, it, I'll just stay down her and do it, cause that's enough money to buy her if you.
Then dip me underway. Hit me on my foot, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. We were naive, I'm lead to achieve from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes, I'm smarter than that. I'm naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, when who's sweating. It took me some time, but now I'm gone. Because I realize I got myself. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Talk about it from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself. That's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Talk about it from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Talk about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. Talk about that from now on. I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself. I know that I'll never disappoint myself.
Original girl, you want a replica? No. Smoothie, no regular. No. Make it for real, I'm pretty from my cellular. No. You don't say you hot. No.
They never had a pretty girl from Joburg to me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama. I need you coming with the comments.
I put some carrots in your head. Make this stitch up, I want to put it in the rim. Wanna get deep, I serve it like a dealer. You been out there, I'm digging in the middle. I'm breaking your word, it can feel no better. Look at my picture, I'm polarized. Shit tough, you know I want it. If the street feeling like sirloin. Tell the chauffeur, take it, shit, now stop. Never play with you, be a war.
Shake it like that, baby, throw it.
Yeah, arch, back, like that, head back, like that. Get ready, I'm heating up. I don't give a fuck how we get up. Just call back, right back. We can spend that, get it right back. Now she just said I wanted all of that, so that's why I bought it.
I know you rock me right now. You know I can't stand to be without.
Okay babies, so that's it for the installation. I hope you guys really enjoyed it and saw how easy it was to do this install, and then the fact that it was pre-curl, I didn't have to stress about curling this hair. After, all I did was comb out the curls to get a looser vibe and to get that little loose wave look that you guys are seeing right here. And me personally, I love my Bodywave curls with volume but with a little bit of sheen, so I went ahead and I added some argan oil. The quality of this wig is definitely 10 out of 10 for me. The lace melted really nice, like it's so cute. HD lace, of course, and even though it's a 24-inch wig, it is actually really long. As you guys saw, the wig was packaged nicely, and unlike some other wig companies, when I get the wig, they'll have a little scent. With Wiggins, I didn't have that experience. The hair actually smelled new and clean. It wasn't giving that scent. If you guys wear wigs, you guys will know, but it was smelling really nice. It was packaged properly, as well as shipping. It really came fast. I didn't have to wait an extensive long time to get this package, so I love that. All the information about this wig will be down in my description box. Even if you're not interested in getting a wig now, you can go ahead and check out Wiggins Hair to see other wigs that they'll probably have that you like, because this is not my first time collaborating with them, and I can always tell you that the quality of their wigs really nice. The body wave, the deep wave, the straight wig, always 10 out of 10. Okay, so click the link down below and go ahead and make your purchase, or just scroll through the sides to see what the other wigs are giving. Until next time, bye babies.
If you wanna be mine, where you belong is all alone with me. I know you don't